Hi, if you like my videos, hit the subscribe button. Welcome back to Keer-a-bytes. A few of my subscribers have asked me recently to do a video demonstrating how anyone can start art on scratch paper. In this video, I will demonstrate drawing a simple base level art on scratch paper. All you need for this is a scratch paper book. This is available easily in any stationery these days and it is completely affordable. We start off with a plain canvas, which is the blank scratch paper. Art is about being creative and exploring different ideas using your imagination. You can start off with any basic shape. I personally love triangles, so I am starting with dividing this page into 4 triangles. Starting from scratch randomly also works, but it's always better to have an idea of what you want to create before you start drawing. First, I divide this page into 4 triangles by drawing 2 diagonals on each side. I've decided to represent 4 zones or habitats in these triangles, 1 zone in 1 triangle, and likewise. I start with the bottom triangle. I want to create a flowing stream effect, so I make some curved strokes and looped strokes to create clouds. I also drew a small boat floating in the stream. Next, I move with the top triangle. I want to represent the sky zone, so I create a swirl using curved strokes to make the sun and the rays along with some clouds. Similarly, I move to the left triangle, making a connection by creating a waterfall. I made a hilltop and a house on top of it. To create some drama, I also drew a small stick man singing while enjoying the nature. So, we've done the 3 triangles, now we move to the last triangle. The 4th triangle, I put some greenery by drawing a few trees and a small family living near a home. Voila! The simple art is finished. Now you can see how using simple strokes and ideas, this beautiful art is made on the scratch paper. So, if you're an art enthusiast and loves creating new things, I encourage you to start exploring scratch paper art as a new hobby. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Please also share this video to those friends of yours who loves art. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Keer-a-bytes.